Hello guys, welcome to this programming class. Today we will see the reverse string program. So today I will show you two ways to reverse the given string. Uh, so first we will understand what is reverse string. Okay. So reverse string means suppose we have a one string program, then the output should be like M A R G O R P. So when any interviewer or any programmer is giving you one string and then he's looking the reverse of that particular string, right? So let's start this one. We will see both the method how we can uh, get the reverse string of the given input. Okay. So let's take one string. Same we will take program and then we will take one more string right now empty string so that we can store the reverse string in that particular string and then we can print that one. Okay, so I'll take string output. We will start one for loop. So I will start from int I equals to what str dot length minus 1 and I should be greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Generally you will see most of the interviewer or most of the programmer perform this kind of operation to get the reverse string of the given input. Okay, let's do the same way. So we will do what? We will store the given particular character into this output. So output plus str dot caret of I. Okay, and then print this one. So system dot out dot println and then let's print this one. So now we should get the desired output. So program you can see is a reverse string of the given string, right? This is the one way which generally we used to do. Now if we will make the minor changes in this program, then we can get the output of this program in a different way. How? Let's do that one. So we right now let's know how it is working, right? First, right now what we are doing, we are running the for loop in a reverse way. Okay, you will see that generally index is getting start from 0, right? So if you will see this for this program, p is at what position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is the 1, this is the 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and this 6. Okay. Now, so over here, what we are doing? So over here, if you will see, we are running. So total is how many character over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters are there, right? So it is getting start from where? It is getting start from strlen 7 minus 1 from 6, right? And it is we are taking up to what? We are taking up to 0. Should be greater than equals to 0, right? So it will start the length from 6th. So it will start from the length 6 because index is in the programming in this Java, the index is getting start from 0. That's what we are taking str length minus 1 and greater than up and equals to 0. So from it will start from 6th position and it will go to up to 0 position, right? So every iteration is getting what? Decrement over here. The value is getting decrement over here, right? And over here if you will see what we are taking, initially there is nothing in this string. So what it will do, it will take nothing, blank plus str of caret of I means on the sixth position is what? M. So it will do what? Blank plus this one. So what? Now in the output will be only M, right? In the second one what will be? It is taking A. So M plus A it will take. So what will be the final output? MA. In the next one, MA is already there. Then it will take R. Then MAR. So this way it will reverse the string. Now we will see the other option. How? So do one thing. What we will do, generally what we used to do, I equals to 0, I is less than str dot length minus 1, and here we will do plus plus. Okay, so generally whenever we want to run the for loop, we used to use this way, right, to print any of the string or any of the string one by one, the character of any string one by one. We used to use this kind of for loop. So with the same for loop, what we will do, we will try to reverse the string. Only the change is over here. You have to take it out, this output from here. Okay, you have to take it out, this output from here. Sorry, let me take it, and then we will add in the last. Will it work? Let's see whether this is going to work or not. Oh wow, it's working. You will see we are getting the same output, right? But how? Let's understand the concept over here. So as I told you, right, index is always getting start from 0 and it is going up to length minus 1, right? Because it is starting from 0, then it will go length minus 1, right? Oh, sorry, I have to use equals also over here, because why? We are taking minus 1 over here. If we are not using minus 1, then we can take this one, then it should give me the same output, program, right? Because we were taking minus 1 over here. So now let's understand. Initially, what will come? It will take p over here. Yeah. In the initially, what value will be of I? Caret of I will be p. So now what? We are putting p over here, right? And then blank. So there is will be nothing now. P came, right? Initially, what will come? Will come p in the first iteration, right? In the second iteration, what will be the caret of I? Will be r, right? So in the str caret of I will be what? Second, in the second time will be r. So now what it will do? R plus p, what will be? R, right? Because we are adding this value before the output. So now will be what? Will be r, right? In the third time will be what? O plus rp, because output is holding what value? Rp. At third time what value we are getting? O. So what will be over here? O, right? You are getting, we are getting the same way, pro, right? So this way all the character will get add before the output, right? Then it will add G, then it will add R, then it will add A, then it M, right? Over here we are not doing anything right now. Before the holding value, we are adding the caret of I value over here, and then that's the way it is reversing the string, right? So this is the second way to get the reverse string. Most of the people used to get confused over here when they used to run the reverse for loop. Okay, so if you don't have that kind of practice, like how we can run the for loop in a reverse way, then you can use this way to print the reverse string, or you can use that way also to reverse the string, right? Both the way you can try. So keep practice multiple ways, because during the interview people used to get nervous, and because of that they don't get remember the one way how to resolve the problem. If you have done the practice multiple ways, then it will be easiest for you or for us to run the program. If we will forget one way, then at least second way we can try. All right, so that's what we should try multiple way, multiple logic to sort out the problem, right? So hopefully guys, uh, I should be able to explain you this program in both the ways, and I hope you like this program. Now it's your job to run on your system to get the output. If you have any other ways, let us know in the comment box. Thank you guys.